What's going on, everybody? This is Andrew Casey with CSSBoss.com. Today, we're going to take a look at how to build your navigation for your website. And WordPress has this really cool menu feature that allows you to just visually drag and drop and stack how you want your link structure to look. So we're going to come up here and we're going to go down to, over your website, we'll go down to menus. And you can also find this underneath the appearances and whatnot. And as you can see here, I've got home, development blog, WordPress plugins, request a tutorial, our clients, and contact, which you can see when you go to our home page or any of our pages right here. Same little setup. And now what I mean by drag and drop is that you have the ability to take one of these and you can drag it wherever you want. Now if we save that, now when we refresh our page, we'll have development blog at the end. So I mean, it's very, no coding necessary, and it works really good. So what we're going to do here is kind of just go over everything. Now with your theme, it can have one or two or maybe even a few more different options. You're going to see whatever the options are right here. I have two on my theme, so I don't even use the top navigation. I only use the main navigation. And what you do is you create a navigation and then you apply it to that. So every time you change this nav, it's affected wherever that nav system is used. I just pointed at my screen, you can't see it. Okay, so I got another nav up here called main nav. I don't know what this is. It looks okay, it looks a little bit more detailed. So let's go ahead, not worry about that. We'll go ahead and let's say we want to build a drop down menu. So let's come down here and we'll do tutorials, and we'll click all of these right here. You can do your categories, you can do your products if you have them, you can select your pages. You want to view all or search for them. These are just the most recent. And then you want to click add to menu. What this will do is make them all show up right here. Now submitting this to the thing, or saving this, it's going to mess up our navigation and it's going to look pretty bad. Okay, you see how right here there's just a bunch of stuff we don't need. So what I want to do is I want to nest all of these underneath the one tutorial. So you just take this and you just drag it slightly to the right until you see that little bar, that little box. Slide to the right. You can just do this with all of them. Oops, you can even nest even further. We'll see. That all depends on your theme. If your theme isn't capable of doing that, there's not going to be much you can do about it. You'll have to find a new theme. Luckily, if you're buying a premium theme from WordPress or Theme Forest or like Woo Themes, you'll be able to get this kind of feature right here, where now it's popping out and it looks really nice. And I can't believe I haven't done this sooner now that I'm making this video. I actually didn't know what video to make today, and I just figured I pulled out, where's it at? My trusty stack of note cards with ideas for videos on them. When I get bored and lonely, I write them down, so I do a lot of writing. And so here we are. Okay, let's see. You can go ahead and nest these even further. When you can set up a custom link with a custom label. All of these are editable, so if you don't want to say home, say awesomeness, save that, and now home will get changed to awesomeness. And yeah, you really have the ability to do whatever you want with these navigations. Let's go ahead and check out how to see if we can you can keep nesting and nesting and nesting. Now again, this really all depends on your WordPress theme. I don't know how deep this will allow you to go, but you'll have to play around with it and test it out. Okay, see, that's a huge problem right there. So yeah, that's not gonna work, not for me, not for anybody. And we just a matter of sitting down and seeing what you can do. Okay, so that's as far as it'll go for me on my theme. So if the owner or creator of Boulevard's watching that, maybe you could fix that. I don't know what themes do. Anyways, it's not about the theme, it's about the menu. So go ahead and play around with that. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure to follow me, subscribe to me on YouTube, like me on Facebook, do all that. Make sure you request a tutorial if you have any questions, and I will make sure to answer them as soon as I can. And watch out for this plugin right here that I stayed up till 4 a.m. last night coding. It's coming soon. So thanks a lot for watching. Andrew Kaiser with CSSBoss.com. Peace out.